Certificate correction utility on CoWIN portal. Step 1. Log on to selfregistration.cowin.gov.in. Enter mobile number followed by OTP, and further you can access the details of the beneficiaries registered with this mobile number. So the same process for registration and for appointment booking. You can enter your mobile number on self-registration portal followed by OTP to access the details of the beneficiaries registered with the mobile number. Here you can see the details of the beneficiaries and their dose status. Step 2. Towards right top screen, beneficiary can view the option of raise an issue. Beneficiary can click on raise an issue and further navigate to certificate correction screen. Select the beneficiary from the drop down list, and then one-time correction can be done in name, year of birth and gender. So in the self-registration portal you can check your certificate, and if there is a correction required, for example here the beneficiary wants to include middle name Manoj Kumar Madhavan, and because of the typo error the year of birth went wrong, so want to correct the year of birth, then beneficiary can click on raise an issue, select the beneficiary from the drop down like Manoj Madhavan here. After that, clicking on correction in certificate and then checking relevant option like name, year of birth. The correction in the name or year of birth or gender can be done by the beneficiary. So year of birth is changed to 1961, name changed to Manoj Kumar Madhavan, and then beneficiary can click updated certificate like with name Manoj Kumar Madhavan and age 60 is available. So beneficiary can compare both the certificate, like here Manoj Madhavan with age 61, this was the previous certificate, and the updated certificate with the updated name and age can be downloaded. If beneficiary tried to make change again after one-time correction, the system will not going to allow this. Verify certificate utility on CoWIN homepage and scanning the QR code of the certificate, it will revert updated details incorporated in the certificate.